On March 12, 22, he visited the passport office in India and surrendered his son's passport, Indian passport. Show the letter. You see, a MP surrendered his son's Indian passport. How disgraceful. That ki likha ase? Sri Gaurav Gogoi has surrendered the passport of his son because he took the nationality of another country. Gaurav Gogoi, he himself visited the passport office and surrendered his son's Indian passport. Kiman dukhor kotha hobo pare Torun Gogoi natiniye. Without his consent, he is a small boy. So Gaurav Gogoi visited the passport office, Gaurav Gogoi passport office visit kore, aro lorar Indian passport surrender kore.